All right, Keith is here. Steamy out there today. So I feel like people are going to be okay with the rain coming in.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, you know what's interesting is tomorrow we kind of get another, not quite as hot as today, but it's going to be hot tomorrow
so
too.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is kind of this.
Yes, and then we'll bring the front through and things will
get a
simmer
breather.
down.
Cool off a little bit.
Yeah. I just got a text from Dana, actually. She was on Peaks Island. She goes, I feel it should not be this hot on Peaks Island, which is a fair take. Because that was what struck me. I said that a few minutes ago, was that what struck me about today's heat, it's not even record-breaking in most spots, but it's really held well along the coastline. I mean, to be 6 o'clock and 91 in Portland, 94 in Kennebunk, 94 in Portsmouth, those are big numbers for late afternoon, early evening along the coast. And even Bar Harbor being 83, okay, but Camden 90, these are very hot temperatures for late in the day along the coast, and that's because it was all wind direction driven. It was out of the west-northwest, which is obviously going to fight off any type of sea breeze. And so everything stays hot until the sun sets, basically. Got a lot of clear skies out there. Tonight will be clear as well. Considering how hot it is, tonight is not unbearably warm. We do spend a good part of the night in the 70s. Obviously, we have to cool down. But we get into the 60s, it looks like, by the middle of the night into early tomorrow morning, even some 50s into the mountains. But this front that's coming through tomorrow, as I mentioned, it's a little bit slower and it's a little less organized than it originally looked, which means instead of us only getting a few hours to warm up tomorrow, we get at least half the day. And so watch these temperatures by 11 a.m. into the mid 80s, into the upper 80s and even some low 90s through about 1 or 2, and then we start popping up some showers and storms. But if you don't catch one of those early in the day, it's going to be pretty easy to get to 90 over southern Maine tomorrow afternoon. These storms will be scattered around through the afternoon into the kind of early evening, let's say 6 or 7 o'clock, and then the front moves offshore. Not far enough offshore, unfortunately, but in between, before those storms move offshore, a few of them could be strong to severe. We have a strong low-level jet stream placed over us, so any storms can tap into that and give us some strong wind gusts. So we'll keep an eye on those storms as they pop up. Front is south of us, but not as far south as we'd like. And so as a result of that, on Thursday, we've got the front right down here. More clouds around Thursday. It's cooler in the 70s, and then probably some periods of showers, if not rain, across extreme southern Maine Thursday night into early Friday. We're talking south of Portland most likely, and certainly down into York County. Then that moves offshore. We're in better shape on Friday with partly cloudy skies, and then the weekend still looks good. That hasn't been in question. It's just a matter of which weekend day you prefer. But to show you how tight that gradient is on Thursday night, take a look at this map where we've got basically no rain north of Portland, but we have almost an inch in Portsmouth, which is what, a 50-minute drive or something from Portland. So it's pretty tight where that edge is. Keep an eye on that. Weekend though, that part is easy, upper 70s. Beautiful day on Sunday. I told you I was going to troll Todd by putting Summer Classic again on Sunday, so you'll see tomorrow if that's still there. Also, truly, I believe it, I mean, 85 and sunny it's kind of that.
It's great.
Right?
He's already looking for the delete button
Right.
to remove that.
He's already
Get that out of
sleeping.
there. Yeah. All right, Keith, thank you.